So to have ChatGPT help you create business names, all you simply have to do is input what your business is and ask it to generate some brainstorming ideas of ones that are currently available in your area. So for this, what I did is put, "Can you please help me come up with an available business name for my painting company in Canada? Please be cautious of copyright and trademark." So you can take this and basically input your own area and the business type that you're looking for, and we can even include, please give me 20 ideas. That way we have a nice list to go through, and just like that you'll see ChatGPT creates a clean, professional, and I guess SEO friendly and legal ideas for your business. So as we can see here, clean and professional, true north, maple tone, all of that, and it gives us 20 listed with different varieties: eco-friendly, local Canadian identity, creative. And you can just go through that, and if you don't like them, you can have it regenerate it and give it other ideas of what you're looking for. You can also go ahead and it gives you ideas on how to check availability on Nuance to make sure that it is available in fact. Beyond, it's smart to just do your due diligence, and you can check .com and all the other ways to verify that you're legally taking a name. And it's always best to double check instead of just trusting ChatGPT. But that is basically how you ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm for business name ideas. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.